On this episode of the Miniac Auto Club, Audi is opening the next chapter in its successful history in the midsize segment with the new A5 family. With the debut of the latest generation, the Audi A4, a long-standing bestseller, will be called the A5. It is offered in 4 new variants as the A5 Sedan and S5 Sedan, and as the A5 Avant and S5 Avant. These versions are the first models to be launched on the Premium Platform Combustion, otherwise known as PPC. The new models are growing in length and width. Audi is also expanding their standard equipment, positioning the new Audi A5 in the upper midsize segment. Even at first glance, the completely redesigned A5 family has a powerful and clean design. The modified proportions with a long wheelbase, large wheels, and the low, sporty body embody progressive dynamism and premium standards. In the sedan, the sporty, compact-looking greenhouse stretches to the rear in a sweeping arc, flows seamlessly into the shallow rear window in a coupe-like manner, and ends at the visually short tailgate with a striking spoiler lip. The rear hatch, which is new in this vehicle segment, offers a convincing symbiosis of design and functionality. It opens with the rear window, and its size makes access to the luggage compartment considerably easier. This results in a completely new sedan concept for Audi. In the Avant, the dynamic, taut roofline merges into a seamlessly integrated roof spoiler that spans the sporty, flat rear window. The D-pillars, which are steeply raked, emphasize the dynamic side view of the A5 Avant. The front is dominated by the wide and significantly flatter proportioned single frame with a 3-dimensional honeycomb structure. Together with the slim and precisely drawn headlights, it shapes the face of the vehicle and gives it a striking and focused expression. Thanks to the soft nose integrated into the bumper, the hood is flush with the front end. The striking, distinctive rear combines sporty, emotional design and intelligent technology. A combination of sculptural geometry and continuous 3-dimensionally offset light strip gives the rear of the new Audi A5 presence and visual dynamism. Further highlights of the rear view in the base models are the clear, modern design of the bumper with a dark diffuser and the high-quality rectangular exhaust tips. The Audi A5 family offers digital daytime running lights with LED technology at the front and second-generation digital OLED rear lights at the rear. With around 60 segments per digital OLED panel, they are increasingly becoming a display at the rear of the vehicle on the A5. This enables car-to-X communication and increases safety on the road. The headlights and rear lights are 3-dimensionally designed, offer optional digital light signatures, and thus bring the physical and digital worlds together. The design of the interior of the new Audi A5 is based on 4 characteristic features. Firstly, the interior has a human-centric design, i.e., it is consistently geared towards the needs of its users. The second spatial feature is the digital stage that establishes itself in clear view of the driver and front passenger in the form of the Audi MMI displays. With its material-driven design, the Audi A5 series meets the requirements for a generous sense of space with a high level of comfort. The clear layout and easy operation of the interior provide an overview in all situations to form the 4th feature, visual clarity. Added to this is the optional dynamic interaction light to support the car's interaction with its occupants. The new A5 has a configurable head-up display that has been further developed compared to its predecessor. For the first time, drivers now have the option of controlling vehicle and infotainment functions via the head-up display. The new MHEV Plus system, based on a 48-volt onboard electrical system, supports the combustion engine and reduces CO2 emissions while increasing performance. The powertrain generator, or PTG, enables partially electric driving that contributes to a reduction in fuel consumption. Thanks to the continued development of the suspension, the new Audi A5 brings the driving characteristics typical of the Audi brand perfectly to the road. As a result of extensive detail work on the suspension and steering, the Audi A5 offers precise, effortless, and largely neutral handling, which, if the optional suspension with adaptive dampers is optioned, can be differentiated significantly more between comfort and sportiness. The steering, which is, as always, Audi progressive steering in the new model, has also become considerably more precise. Audi is opening the next chapter in its successful history in the midsize segment with the new Audi A5 family. The Audi A5 and S5 will be launched in Germany and numerous other European countries in November. The Audi A5 family will be available to order in Germany from July 2024. The Audi A5 sedan TFSI will be offered in Germany at the entry-level price of 45,200 euros and will include navigation, an electrically powered rear hatch, and a telephone tray with inductive charging as standard. Like what you see? Check out more content on this channel at the end of this video, and thanks for watching.